Hey friends, welcome to 5 nail hacks that actually work. Fast, no tools needed. I'm thrilled you're here. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to gorgeous nails with 5 hacks you can do right at home, no fancy tools required. I've tested every trick in the book to find what really works, quick, easy, and totally doable for everyone. Today, I'll show you my favorite nail hacks that save time, money, and frustration. No salon, no stress, just real results. Ever smudged a fresh manicure or struggled with nail art that looked easy online? We've all been there. But don't worry, these hacks are simple, fast, and actually work, even if you're a total beginner. We'll use things you already have at home. No need to buy anything special. Get ready for internet-famous tricks, instant dry methods, flawless French tips, and more, tested and approved. Which hack will become your new go-to? And which ones are just hype? Let's find out together. Grab your favorite polish, get comfy, and let's transform your nails. Fast, fun, and fabulous. Ready for our first hack? Let's dry your nails fast. No fancy gadgets, no special sprays, just what you have at home. After painting your nails, simply fill a bowl with cold tap water. No ice needed. Wait a few seconds for the polish to settle. Gently dip your fingertips into the water for about a minute. The cool water helps set the polish quickly. Or, if you're in a real hurry, try blowing on your nails with a hairdryer set to cool. Just a few seconds does the trick. I tested both methods and my nails were touch dry in under 2 minutes. No smudges, no waiting around. This hack is a total lifesaver for busy days. No more ruined manicures or endless drying time. Give it a try and let me know if it works for you. On to the next hack. Ready for another kitchen beauty hack? Let's make a DIY cuticle treatment using only ingredients you already have at home. Grab some olive oil and coconut oil. No fancy products required. Mix a teaspoon of olive oil with a teaspoon of coconut oil in a small bowl. If you want a little extra luxury, add a drop of your favorite essential oil. Gently massage the mixture into your cuticles and nails. Let it soak in for a few minutes. Your nails will thank you. Why does this work? Olive oil and coconut oil are packed with vitamins and healthy fats that deeply moisturize and protect your cuticles. No need for expensive products or tools, just simple kitchen magic for soft, healthy cuticles. This easy hack is now a staple in my routine. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Want a French manicure at home but don't have fancy tools? No problem. You can create flawless French tips using simple household items like tape or even stickers. Let me show you how to get that salon look, right at your kitchen table. First, start with clean, dry nails. Paint them with a nude or pale pink polish as your base. Let them dry completely. Patience is key for a smooth finish. Next, grab a piece of regular household tape or a round sticker. Place it across each nail, leaving just the tip exposed. This will be your guide for the perfect white tip. Now paint the exposed tips with white polish. Don't worry if it gets on the tape. That's the beauty of this hack. While the white polish is still wet, gently peel off the tape or sticker. You'll reveal a crisp, clean line, no shaky hands required. Finish with a layer of clear top coat to seal in your design and add shine. That's it. Salon-worthy French tips, no special tools needed. This easy hack is a total game changer. Whether you use tape, stickers, or even a sticky note, you can get gorgeous French tips in minutes. Try it out and let your nails do the talking. Ready for hack number 4? Let's make stunning glitter gradients, no fancy tools required. All you need is a makeup sponge or even a piece of paper towel. Seriously! Start by painting your nails with a base color and let them dry. Next, dab some glitter polish onto the edge of your sponge or paper towel. Gently press it onto the tips of your nails, building up the glitter for a gorgeous fade. The result? A smooth, salon-style gradient. No nail art brush needed. Cleanup is a breeze and the effect is absolutely stunning. Whether it's for a special occasion or just for fun, this hack is a must-try for every glitter lover. More sparkle, more control, and totally DIY. Glitter gradients made easy. Give it a try and let your nails shine. Hack number 5, smudge rescue. Ever ruined a nail right after painting it? Don't worry, you can fix it in seconds. All you need is a drop of nail polish remover and your fingertip. No fancy tools required. Dab a tiny bit of remover onto your fingertip, then gently tap the smudged spot. The remover softens the polish, letting you smooth out dents or fingerprints in a flash. In seconds, your nail looks almost perfect again. No need to start over. This trick is a total lifesaver for last-minute fixes. Quick, easy, and super effective. Never fear a smudge again. Just a little remover and your fingertip, and you're good to go. That's a wrap on our 5 favorite nail hacks. From the ice water plunge to the glitter gradient, We've covered quick, easy ways to get gorgeous nails at home. No fancy tools required. Which hack are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and if you have your own tool-free nail tricks, I'd love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this fun beauty adventure. Your support means the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy beauty tips and nail inspiration every week. Until next time, stay polished and keep shining. See you in the next video.